Today, we're going to look at two common interaction components in WEAVR, the push button and the switch. Both are used to create state-based interactions, but they behave slightly differently and are used for different scenarios. Let's start with the push button. The push button component allows you to press a game object like a real physical button. Think of things like control panel buttons, confirmation buttons, or momentary inputs. To set up a push button correctly, there are two required steps. First, position the game object in its default unpressed position and save this as the default state by clicking on the icon. Second, move the same game object to the fully pressed position and save this as the down state. Once this is done, WEAVR knows how far the button can travel and what up and down means. Now, let's go through the main properties you see in the inspector. Push value shows how much the button is currently pressed. This value is normalized, meaning it goes from 0 to 1, where 1 means fully pressed. Up and down states represent the two main states of the button. Each state can have events attached, which will usually connect to procedure logic. Now let's look at the switch component. A switch state is used when you want a persistent state change, like a lever, toggle, or rotary selector. Unlike a push button, a switch stays in its current state until the user changes it again. To set up a switch, the process is similar but slightly more flexible. First, save the default position. Then choose the switch type. After that, you add one or more states. Move the game object to the desired position or rotation for each state and save them. Now, let's go through the properties. Type defines how the switch moves. You can choose linear for sliding switches or rotary for rotating ones. Use reflex angle is only available for rotary switches. It allows rotation beyond 180 degrees, which is useful for knobs or dials that rotate further than half a turn. Once your push button or switch is set up, you can test it immediately in play mode to see how it behaves.